Today we are going to deal with a real life jet engine. The one we have here is an Orpheus engine which was designed and built by the Hindustan Aeronautical Limited, and all the sections of a jet engine, that is what we are going to learn today. Let us go to the first section, that is the inlet section of this jet engine. The inlet section of this jet engine is the part I show here, and this includes an inlet section where the airflow enters into the engine, and then a stator section. These stator sections are also called the guide vanes because they guide the incoming airflow towards the compressor. And also it has another function, that is to make the turbulent airflow entering into the compressor to laminar flow. Then the turbine section, the compressor section consists of a stator and a rotor, rotor sections repeating. These stator and rotor sections repeating are called spools. So we have here is a multi-spool engine. As you can see now, these are the rotor blades and the stator blades which are embedded directly towards the casing, and the rotor blades rotate on with the airflow, by thereby increasing the pressure as it moves towards the aft position, and decreases the velocity. Now, the what follows the compressor is the diffuser. You can see the diffuser start with these guide vanes which are fixed towards the casing. These guide vanes have a greater deal in the design of a jet engine because they act as the part that affect the flame stability of the combustion chamber. These guide vanes, here, these guide vanes state here will decrease the velocity towards the maximum and increase the pressure, and acts as a major part of the diffuser. Now, the diffuser section here also holds the fuel injectors. You can see one here, and the fuel is injected in this section, and the high pressure airflow is now entering from the diffuser towards the combustion chamber. And another section we have in the jet engine, and it is a major part of the jet engine, that's the combustion chamber. We have here the whole system consists of the combustion chamber, and the one we have here is the CAD annular type. The CAD annular type is different from other categories such as CAD or annular type, is that, and it have major advantages such like it need only a single flame igniter, single igniter for the whole section. And this whole, we have here one section, and here we have here another section, and both of these need only we need only a pair of igniters to ignite the whole system. So, and we have the cannon igniters here. Now the flame holders and the flame tubes will be inside these sections, and the combustion chamber, and here the combustion occurs. The hot air or the hot flow of jet will expand slowly to the next section we have here. Following to the next section, we have the turbine section. The turbine section starts with the stators here. Those are embedded in the aft section of the combustion chamber. The stators are being embedded to this casing, as you can see, then followed by the rotors. The turbine section is a major part of the jet engine, as it provides the power required for moving the compressor blades. Now, the reaction turbine here works by the expanding the gas, that's the hot air gas coming from the combustion chamber. The expanded gas, or the gas expansion, will drive the turbine, and the turbine, the work obtained here, will drive the compressor blades, and the work is transferred through this shaft here, and we have a shaft work which is obtained as the compressor blade rotation. And now moving on towards the last portion of the jet engine we have here is a nozzle. The nozzle works by expanding the airflow, thereby increasing the velocity of the airflow. We have here is a converging nozzle because this is a subsonic aircraft. The converging nozzle will decrease the area, thereby increasing the velocity, decreasing pressure, and thus we obtain the thrust for the aircraft. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. For further videos and future studies, subscribe our channel.